Number 1, melted rock formed inside the earth. I should read your answer choices first too. You have deposition, core, Pangea, weathering, glaciers, magma. Melted rock formed inside the earth. Large bodies of moving ice. Dropping of eroded sediments in a new place. Huge land mass that broke up long ago into today's continents. Breaking of rocks into smaller pieces by water, wind, and ice. Layer of earth that experiences the most pressure. Okay, your words are glacial till, sediments, wind, water, and ice, crust, volcano and earthquakes, continental drift. Layer of earth that contains the continents and oceans. The idea that continents move from one part of the earth to another. Agents of change. Small pieces of weathered particle of rock. Materials left behind when a glacier melts. Rapid changes to the Earth's surface. Number 13. The blank of an earthquake is the point in the crust or upper mantle where the energy is released. Focus, epicenter, earthquake, seismic wave. The blank is the thickest layer of the earth just under the crust. Core, crust, pressure, mantle. Blank would cause a rapid change to Earth's surface. Weathering, erosion, landslides, deposition. What was lacking in Alfred Wegener's theory of continental drift? Similar fossil evidence on different continents, an explanation of how or why the continents move, a definition of the term supercontinent, the appearance of matching coastlines. Blank is a slow earth process in which sediments are moved from one place to another. Erosion, weathering, deposition, Pangea. Blank is melted rock that reaches the Earth's surface. Magma, lava, volcano, core. The blank is the point on Earth's surface that is directly above the focus. Mantle, pressure, epicenter, focus. A blank is a movement where large amounts of rock or soil slide down a mountain or slope. Volcano, landslide, earthquake, tsunami. What is weathering? This could be a simple sentence. Give an example of weathering. Where do you see weathering every day? What is erosion? Right below this question is one that I missed. It says, give an example of erosion. What is deposition? Give an example of deposition. Right under here there's a big space and it says draw a diagram of Earth's 3 layers. But 2 of the layers are kind of combined into one, and label each. You get 4 points. 1 for drawing and 3 for the labels. After you've done your drawing, move on to here. Give 3 examples of slow changes to Earth's surface. By the way, they've already been mentioned. And last, give 2 examples. Oh, not last, sorry. Close to last. Give 2 examples of rapid changes to Earth's surface. Just kidding, that is last.